Yo, what's going on guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this really simple method of how to make unlimited money using this very simple glitch. So I hope you guys do going to enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to leave a like down below and also comment if this does help you guys out, and also subscribe to my channel because I'm currently on the road to 2,000 subscribers and you guys have been helping out with the support so much recently, so I just want to thank you guys for that. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and now let's get straight into the glitch. So for the first step of this glitch, what you guys want to do is make your way to where I am here on the map, just opposite this barbershop here, and you will see this Lombank building with the ATM. So you guys want to make sure you are at this building. So now you guys want to bring a quite tall car around to this area where I am here, around the side of the building. Now you guys want to jump just where I do here to this corner, and if you guys fall over, you will see that you glitch into the building. So now once you guys are inside the building, you guys want to register as a CEO. Now once you guys register as CEO, you want to go down to VIP challenges, and now you guys want to simply start the most wanted challenge. So now once you guys have started that up, you will see that cops will not be able to kill you, but unfortunately most guns are not able to kill them, but the RPG and the up and atomizer and the snipers that go through the building will be able to kill officers. So you will just have to wait around for about 10 minutes, but you guys will see once you've finished, you guys will make around 50k. So as you guys can see here, the cops cannot actually kill you, so you guys want to wait around for the remainder of the mission. So I'm just going to show you guys what happens during the mission. Friend did here, so my friend got 50,000 just from doing this, and this only took 8 minutes. So if you guys both do the full 10 minutes, you guys will get 50k each. So this is how to make 50k every 10 minutes, which is pretty easy, in my opinion, if you guys are just starting the game or you guys just need easy money. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video.